I'm unboxing an E36 M3 replica lightweight wing with the dogs. It was safe night. Something rolling around in there. Hope it's not broken. That was up. Hey, there's a screw. I got a screw. Not broken. Here's the base piece. I'm gonna set this on the table. Excuse me. Now here's the risers. And then here's the top piece. There's 3 more screws. So last time you saw that I got my lightweight spoiler. So they sag in the middle, if you read on the forums, which if you're looking for this video, you probably read the forums. Great stuff, expandable foam, clear hose, and I drilled a small 1/4-inch hole and ran the hose all the way through, so I'm going to fill it with expandable foam to kind of make it rigid. So, kind of nervous. There it goes. Oh, that was it. Oh, just filmed up the foam from both ends, here and here. Set for 8 hours. So maybe I'll update next time. Peace. This is a follow-up of the E36 GT or lightweight eBay special spoiler install. Alright, so a little bit about the install. It's not bad. So what you use is a 1-inch hole saw. And I used M6 by 1.0 hardware, different links front and back. This was a M6 1.0 times 60 or 70 millimeter. And this right here was like a 40 or 50 millimeter. I used a Allen head type screw and washer. And you can see I also put RTV between the washer. And I did also use a small rubber grommet for the hole, but I don't think that's necessary with enough RTV. If I could do anything different, I would make this hole just a little bit higher. Maybe the top right here would just be pretty much maybe diagonal with this. This is just a little bit lower. If it was just a little higher, it might have been a little easier, but what I used was a ball head type Allen tool. Made it a lot easier. I also used some outdoor automotive kind of weather seal that I found at Lowe's. Kind of sandwiches there. I have some you can see kind of poking out right here in the front. Not the cleanest, I know. Right here, there's a small gap, I guess, because when everything's tightened up, fiberglass part might pull together and bow. I really like the look of the spoiler. This one is something I've always wanted. I mean, over 10 years, you know, seeing threads online, and it's cool to have it. I wouldn't say the fitment's perfect. As you can see, they don't line up here. But also there is a small amount of adjustability, so this could just be something that if I loosen the bolts and maybe kind of wiggle, I can get more lined up. Because it's also the same in the back right there. If I could just probably loosen these screws, or maybe, and then loosen the screws under here, maybe I could slide that back. So now the fitment over here you see is different. But then again, it's almost like something I could loosen these screws and then maybe push this piece that way. But really right now I'm just glad to have it on. Pretty much it. If you're thinking about installing this spoiler, I think it can definitely be done for a beginner. I'll just get familiar with using drills and find out about how to use a hole saw. It's really simple stuff. I had a spare trunk to begin with to practice hole saw cuts. Right here. And you also need a magnet for the pieces that are going to fall down into the bottom.